In this video, I am going to show you how to draw or annotate over a photo that you have in your camera roll. So I'm going to tap on Photos and go to my camera roll. And when you find a picture that you like and that you want to mark up, or maybe you actually just want to take a picture right there on the spot, it ends up in your camera roll. And then, and this is just a tomato that I thought looked interesting and I could actually draw a face on. So I took a picture of this. Now I'm going to tap Edit. And if I tap the three dots in the upper right hand corner, then it brings up this menu, and then I can tap on Markup. Now Markup is going to give me all of my drawing tools. If you tap on each one, then you see the options. I could change the opacity, I can change the thickness. So, alright, so I actually, here, I have my Apple Pencil. I can draw with my Apple Pencil, and if you see, it actually corrects the line. It makes it straight. Now, if you don't have a stylus or a pencil, you can tap here and you're going to want to turn Draw with Finger on. And then let's just see the difference. Will it straighten my lines? It still straightens the lines, and I can draw with my finger. So I'm going to undo that, but let me show you this marker. This marker ends up being kind of like a highlighter, so if I did it to the thickest, but if you actually keep going over it, it's a quick way to fill in color. So I'm going to actually use the thickest, and I'll continue to draw with my finger, although at some point here I'm actually going to switch over to my pencil because this part is smaller. But see how it's easier to fill in color as opposed to if I did the regular marker. I actually am going to have to fill it in like that, and then I'll show you the difference with the highlighter. I can just quickly do it, and then I can quickly do some eyebrows here. So here I have my angry eyebrows, and then here I'm going to switch back to using my finger so that you can see that you can actually get a decent picture up if you're just drawing with your finger. If you're in the classroom and you want to quickly do things and you left your pencil on the side or stylus, then don't worry, you can just use your finger and get a decent image. So that is the different types of markers. This one's a pencil. You're going to see that it's thinner, and it actually looks like a pencil a little bit. And then you have the eraser, which you can erase. You have an object eraser and a pixel eraser. So if you want to just use it like an eraser, you can erase that way. Or what I like about this object eraser is you just tap one thing and then it disappears. So I'm going to undo and put that back. And then this is a grouping tool. So if I wanted to move some things around because I thought it wasn't in the right place, I draw around it, it selects the objects, and now I can move this around as a group. So that's another option. Or if you want to group something and delete it, just tap it, and then you have another menu. You can cut. If I wanted to duplicate it because I had two of these on the page, I can duplicate something. But then if I don't need it, I can also delete it. And then when you're done, then you tap Done up in the upper right hand corner, and you tap Done one more time, and then it saves as the image in your camera roll.